We're on video now, so we're watching the lily pond in Swarovski. Look at that, fantastic. This is amazing, amazing. So if you're coming to Swarovski in Innsbruck, you can come and see this fantastic lily pond art installation. So representing lilies, water lilies. Have a look at this, beautiful neons, acrylic glass is what it's made of. And you can see here the person who has created it, Susanne Rottenbacher, and an explanation just here of what it's all about. So anyway, that's a little hard to read. Let's have a look back over the lily pond again. So as we said, Innsbruck, if you're coming to the Swarovski shop, this is what you'll be greeted with on your arrival. This is actually a body wrap, and above it is a mouthpiece. You wouldn't want to fall while you were wearing this one. But anyway, we'll have a quick look inside the Swarovski shop and show you some of the wonderful things you could maybe take home as a souvenir of Austria. Beautiful gift for yourself. And one last look at the lily pond before we enter the store. And something for the people in Australia that have been going through the craze of the minis from the shopping centres. Have a look at these. These are full-size crystallized groceries. And you have all the zodiac signs here, as well as the larger zodiac signs as well. And if you're after something really special, you may wish to treat yourself to a set of binoculars. So Swarovski are recognised as one of the best makers of binoculars in the world. So this is the main shop area, or just one part of it I should say. And you also have here one of the chandeliers from the ocean movies. This one's about 110,000 euro if you want to buy it. And if you're after something unique, they have these little ornaments. They're only about 15 euro each, so very affordable and also very nice. So especially if you're looking for things to hang on your Christmas tree. Have a look here, you've got stars and also snowflakes, especially coming around Christmas time. So anyway, that's a view of a few items from Swarovski here in Innsbruck. So if you get the chance, hop in, you won't be disappointed. And finally, before we finish, a view of Innsbruck itself. So off in the distance you can see the magnificent golden roof. You can see the towering mountains behind it. These are the Nordketten, or the northern chain, and then right here in front of us you have the Swarovski Christoffelten store with on the outside the Rose Prince. So you can see him right here. So it's a beautiful old building, and it has been preserved, and the interior has been adapted to make it a shop. So well worth a visit, and hopefully one day we'll see you in Innsbruck.